Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed my hideous room to this lovely, beautiful room that you see here without breaking the bank, because y'all know I'm cheap. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open the door for dramatic effect. Ew! So, quick tour so y'all can get the view. This is my little work area station or whatever that looks a mess. I don't work from home anymore, so I really am planning on getting rid of that. All that desk and the chair and stuff, that's gonna go. This is my nightstand. Ugly. I got this from, I think, Walmart, and it was like, I don't know, like $8 or something. And then here is my bed, which is a mess. I literally just made it. I've been in the bed for like 10 days straight, so it looks a mess. And I already threw like the decorative pillows and stuff, which I should have waited, but I was just too excited. So we getting rid of all this. All of this got to go. The only thing that'll be staying is the curtains. We replacing the rods, but let me show y'all the thing that is really gonna transform this room. This ugly ass fan. This fan right here. We are about to get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is move everything out. All right, so I'm gonna be giving y'all some updates, but I just decided that I am tired of being cheap. I have had that comforter set since I don't even know how long, and when I was in quarantine, I just saw how ugly it was, and that is why we're doing this whole home renovation. You will see a lot of projects coming soon, so make sure you subscribe if you enjoy this. So now you see us taking everything out because we were gonna paint. Wasted everybody's time, but I decided not to paint. I don't know why, but I didn't feel like it was necessary. All right, so here is how it's looking. I don't know why that stain is on the wall. That's where my bed was. So I don't know if like the sheets rubbed against it and maybe some dye came off. I don't know. What I'm about to do is take down the fan now, so I'm gonna have to turn off the power. The master bedroom. To be honest, I don't even know if I needed to turn off the power just to take out the blades, but I wanted to make sure, you know, just to stay safe. So I just took down the things that needed to be taken down. So this is like the part that's the top of the fan right here. I'm about to go ahead and clean all of this because it's so dusty. For the hook pieces, I'm gonna paint it the same color as this, which is gonna be that, it's called Rust-Oleum, but it's not, I don't think that's the color. It's like a silver color. Let me show y'all really quick. So right here I am washing off all of the dust and dirt on the fans because, like I say, they are really old and haven't been cleaned. And then we sprayed the accent pieces. Also had the genius idea of going ahead and spraying the outlet covers as well. So I wanted to show y'all the headboard that my mom made. So let me know if y'all want to see a video tutorial. Right here, my mom is putting nails in to just hold down that cloth piece so it won't move around. Y'all, look at how the fan turned out. It's just little things you could do that make such a difference. Alright, so this is the next day. I went straight to Walmart and got some new curtains because those silverish curtains it didn't bring out my room. I don't know. So I'm steaming those curtains, and then I'm going to steam my comforter because it was very wrinkly, of course, just coming out of the pack. All of these items are from Walmart, by the way. Alright, and now you see your nephew trying to help me, but he's really just in my way. But I just let him do his thing. That picture you see, I forgot to mention that I got that from Burlington Coat Factory. It was only $12.99, and I just fell in love with it. I don't know what it was. Another hack is that nightstand that you see. Nightstands are expensive. They were going for like $60 to $100. Got that one for $32 at the Walmart. All right, so before I show the final result, look at our before. We have come a long way. This was a mess. It was a hot mess. But look at this. We did great. We did amazing. And it was all under $175. Cheap. I know this video was short, but I like to get straight to the point. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.